you want to start learning how to use this jigsaw? So now I'm going to show you step by step how you can use it. So in this case, I'm going to show you how to use this jigsaw, the Dewalt. I like it a lot. This is the DCS334. So this machine is amazing. I'm going to show you also a few tricks so that way you can work more efficiently. So now I'm going to show you how to use this jigsaw. That is great. So first of all, if you press here the button, you will see the gauge. So in this case, we have 2 lights only. So if you want to replace the battery, just push this button, take it out, put the new one in, and that's it. If you buy something, you know, with a higher amperage, in this case amps hour, you're going to be able to do more cuts than if you have a tiny battery. Always I recommend you to have a big one. Later I'll show you the basics. So for instance, here we have the trigger. So if you push the trigger here, it's going to work, you know, very fast or very slowly, depending on how much you push the trigger. So if you see here, it barely is moving, and if I push it more, that is all the way. So that is how you control the speed. Also, if you want, you can control the speed from here, from the dial. As you can see, if you put it in 1, it will have, you know, less speed. I'll show you. You see, this is the maximum speed that you're going to get in of number 1 of the gear number 1. So basically, if you push a little, you're going to have a less speed. But if you push all the way, it's just that. If you want to go faster, you know, you push, you move it in number 7, and that's it. So also, if you want to lock this, just in case, you put it in the toolbox and you're having some issues with tools that maybe they are going to push, you know, this button. So by pushing this button, if you push the trigger, you see nothing will happen. And to release it, push it again, and that's it. So that is how you do that. Also, I'll show you now how you can, let's say, if you want to remove the blade and you don't want to remove the battery for safety reason or for any reason, just for safety reasons, just push it, you know, and lock or remove the battery, and that's it. So if you want to remove the blade, all you have to do, push this up like that, and then you remove the blade, and then you can put another one. If you buy something, for instance, with big teeth, is for it to cut, you know, wood, but it doesn't matter the finishing. So if you want something that's going to be more precise, you're going to use a blade with a smaller teeth. Otherwise, if you have to cut a metal, you can use usually the blade for metal. They have a smaller teeth, and you can use it for wood as well if you have to cut, you know, something, so that way you have nice smooth edges and no wrinkly edges. So okay, now I'm going to show you something else. So for instance, here you have this leveler that you see here. So basically, if you want the blade just to go up and down, you just leave it like that. So I'm going to show you. And if you want it to be in a ellipse like that, so the way it will cut faster, but it might not be, you know, as smooth as the one that goes up and down. You can do this, and as you can see, it goes, you know, it goes up and down, up and down, up and down, and that is how it works. If you want less up and down, you can regulate it from here. You have 3 steps, 3 positions, and this is the last one that is going to go up and down, and that's it. Also, if you want, you can remove this. Usually, most people, they will not remove this foot that you see here, but if you have to, and if you have to replace it for some reason, you can use that. At least in my case, I never had to take this out. Always I use it the way it is. All right, so now we have seen everything, almost everything. So if you want to cut, let's say, if you want to cut, you know, straight, you go like that. If you want to go, you know, 45 degrees, and you can do this. You will have to move this level there that you see. You push it, and then you will be able to move it, you know, like this. So once, if you want to cut in 45 degrees, you put it like that. If you want maybe 35 or 90 degrees, you put it like this. Once it's in place, put it like this, lock it in place, and that's it. Sometimes you may have to hit it a little bit to unlock it, as you can see here. Otherwise, if you want to lock it in place, the way it will not move, hit it like that, and it will not move. Plus, you can lock it in place like this. So now I'm going to show you a few tricks So that way, if you have to make a hole in the middle here and you want to go here this way, you don't have you have two options. One, you can use a drill, or you can use the way that I'm going to show you right now. So for instance, you can start. You see, I'm going to start like that. So that way, I can go from here to here. So basically, all you have to do is make it run. There you go. Now it's all the way in. As you can see here, we have the blade on the other side. Now we can go straight. There you go. You made the cut. Now, so as you can see, it works very well. Otherwise, you can use a drill bit. And if you want to do a straight cut, very easy. Just let's grab this board that you see here, and then you grab a square, make a line, go to the other side, make a line, and then we can do just a straight line. If you want, you can use a circular saw, or you can use this. It will work as well. Just make sure that you can follow the line, and that is all you need. Perfect line, and that's it. So if you want to learn more, just go to my playlist and you will see all my videos about tools. And if you are outside the United States, you want me to send you tools, electronics, just let me know. I can ship it to you. Otherwise, I'll leave you the link so that way you can buy it yourself. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.